Hello, everybody. It is Sensations with Amber. I got some scent mail today. Yes, my phone is still tore up, so we got to work with what we got. So I have been waiting for this for a couple of weeks now. This is my Nyla Vanille. Vanille. I don't know how they say it. 2.7 ounce bottle. Look how pretty. So this is your gold box. It is very pretty. This is kind of raised up material like. The back just says all of that. Now here we go. You just open it and it says Nyla Vanille. Top notes jasmine, vanilla bean. Middle notes caramel and amber. Base notes musk, tonka bean, and vanilla. So this will be part of my haul video as well, guys. I just wanted to do an unboxing. Here's the bottle. This bottle, ooh, this is a heavy bottle. So I could whack someone upside the head with this real good and knock them TF out. Alright. It says Nyla Vanille on the middle there. This pretty little pattern here. The cap. Look at the cap. Very pretty. My phone is still messed up. I don't know if I said that or not, but gotta work with what we got. The cap is metal and it is very heavy. Very heavy. I could throw that at somebody and they'd have a pump knot for fucking, for freaking 6 months. I'm gonna spray this out. Hold on, let me get some paper. Alright, hold on. So, I have my tester strip. Listen, I have an appointment in 25 minutes. So, I'm going to try to do this video as quick and as best as I can. Just work with me. Work with me, guys. Trying to figure out how to get my phone to sit up in a decent angle, but that's not working. Alright, that'll work. So let's smell Nyla Vanille. Very nice sprayer, and I smell it already. That's a very pretty vanilla, and that's what I've been after. But I have better ones on the way. Birthday's coming up, you know. That smells really good, and it is leaning Bianco Latte. I will let you know that. Now, just going to unbox with you everything that I got today real quick. How am I going to make this work? Okay, hold on. I have wanted this for a while. And I got Gen Z Marshmallow. These bottles are really similar. I have a lot to say about Gen Z Marshmallow. Good stuff. This is Giggle Puff. A whimsical blend of sugary vanilla, spun caramel, sparkling peach citrus that leaves a trail of pure joy and childhood wonder wherever you go. Top notes: lemon, bergamot, coconut, heart notes, peach, vanilla, amber, and jasmine. Base notes are musk, benzoin, and caramel. So you got this on the side. I don't know if you can see it. Kind of a little bit there. Alright. Now, as I said, the Gen Z bottle and the Giggle Puff bottle are extremely, extremely similar. So we know Gen Z Marshmallow is a shooperu for Yum Bougie Marshmallow. And it is a very good one. Giggle Puff is a shooperu for House of Siage, which I've never ever smelled. So let's smell this. Really excited. Oh, I just dropped my tester strip. I'll never find it. Let's just get a clean one here. Okay, problem solved. Let's give it a go. I'm so excited. Got a good sprayer on it too. This is good. Wow. It's very different. Very, very different. Very different. That's good. I don't know. I might wear that one or the Nyla today. You definitely pick up on the citrusy notes in it. But you also get the peach, which kind of tones it. It brings it back down and makes it not so citrusy. You get the vanilla for sure. You get the benzoin. And I get a little bit of the caramel. I think this needs to sit a little while. Just like the Gen Z Marshmallow. I didn't. So whenever I first got it, it lasted 30 minutes. After I let it sit for a week, I'll tell you in another video. But this is very good. This is Hakayet Atar, and it is Giggle Puff. Alright, for the other ones, I'm going to do another video. See you soon. This is Sensations with Amber, over and out until just a few minutes. I'm going to unbox a couple more with you. Bye, guys.